Standard 3rd, Environmental Studies, lesson number 21, Public Services for Community Life. Public services are provided to us out of the money collected from us as taxes. Sometimes public services are overburdened, but we can solve this crisis by working together. The local government provides the services of water supply, public hygiene. People put their money into a bank. The money is kept safe. We can save and also withdraw our money. Banks also offer loans to people in need. So it's safe to keep our money in the bank. A girl is reading an inland letter. Now this is a postal service and is useful for keeping in touch with our friends and relatives. Letters can be sent to any part of the world. People in a locality sometimes come together and find out what the local needs are. And based on that meeting, they find out what they can start in that area or in a society. So they decide to start an industry or service in cooperation with one another. And in this they contribute some of their own money. They contribute their own money to start that industry or service. And the profits, what about the profits? The profits are distributed among everyone. See here, this super spinning mill is one of the example of cooperatives. Means people come together and they start their own industry, and it's called cooperative. And this is cooperative. This is cooperative spinning mill, and whatever is the profit they distribute among everyone. Institutions formed by people's cooperation are called cooperatives. When the institutions are formed by people's cooperation, means it's not all alone's work, it's a teamwork, and such institutions are called cooperatives. Almost 400 years ago, a postal service. See, 400 years ago, the map was like this. This is the political map, and here the postal service was run in Golconda. This area is Golconda. And how the postal services was going on those days, 400 years ago we are talking about. Here there were small huts of intervals at every 2 or 3 miles. In the first hut there was a harkara. This person is called harkara. Harkara means a messenger. See, he is carrying a bag. In that bag letters are there, and this harkara, and what do you mean by harkara? Harkara means a person who carried the post. He is running, he will run, and what he will do? 2 or 3 miles, the next hut will be there. The first harkara, he is the first harkara. He took the post bag from the first hut and dropped it in the second hut. The second harkara stood ready to take the bag. The second harkara is standing there near the hut. He takes the bag and ran to the third hut. And dropped it in. In this way they used to carry on the messages or our letters. Those days. See, this is the second Harkara standing. He took the bag now. Now he will run to the third hut, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, that way. And this is how the post was carried to other places. From one place to other, they used to carry their post. And this system was called the dark system. Finally they used to carry on the messages or the post letters like that way. And this system was called dark system. The dark system. Dark means later. Look, your water is wasted when taps do not have faucets. Water gets wasted here. And this was noticed by some children. So there was a children's council in a school in Bahiratwadi in Akola district. They carried out a project. This is the map of Akola district. Here they started, here one place is there, Bahiratwadi. Children started their discussion on the issue of how to save water. Some children pointed out that water in the village was wasted because the taps did not have faucet. Tap is not having faucet, that is why the water gets wasted. And some children found out whose responsibility it was to put faucet on the tap. Then it was decided to urge the Gram Panchayat to fix faucet on the taps. In the last session we have seen village, they have Gram Panchayat. They sit and decide what could be the solution. So they decided to urge the Gram Panchayat to fix the faucet. They wrote a letter to the Gram Panchayat. This is Gram Panchayat concerning this issue. A few days later, they also sent a reminder. So again they sent a reminder to the Gram Panchayat. And finally what they did, a few days later, that faucets were fixed on taps. This is how the children solved the problem. Thank you.